Welcome back to Power Plays Palace. Good morning, traders. It's Thursday, October 30th, and SPY is look like it's opening up inside yesterday's range, man. Showing a little bit of love here. Let's look at it. Oh yeah, it is. Yep, it was yesterday 689 down to 682. Of course, FOMC always changes the game a little bit, so we on top of that. So look at the chart from yesterday. Seems like we came up, started up, and then we ran it down. But if you played the puts yesterday, you did a pretty good job. You should have did real well. Puts played on all three levels, so we definitely gonna celebrate that. So we did a pretty good job. So without prolonging this thing, let's look at what we got going on for today. As you can see, yesterday with FOMC, you can get these big ranges, and the SPY can definitely respond. But today, we started to work our way back up. Those yellow lines you see are previous days highs and lows, and those white lines are previous days pre-market highs and lows. So you'll see that those what those lines represent. Those are just areas I keep track of, because when SPY is traveling back and forth, a lot of times it stops in key areas. So yeah, so we're not gonna hold it up today. We see what it's doing. All right, let's look at what we got for today. Yesterday, SPY went in a nice 7-point range, but mostly puts in that starting afternoon. And so we probably in an area where we got a lot of all-time highs. So be careful up here. Things can go either way, but we definitely want to be careful. My zone for today is 685 to 688. You're looking for a breakout either way to kind of determine how we want to play that. With my first setup is SPY breaks and hold above 687.68. I look for entries between 687.75 and 688 with a stop loss right at 687, with my targets being 688.90, 689.70, and 691. That'll be for a clean breakout, and we're looking for strong candles as it closes going up. If it's going up, strong candle close, then you definitely want to take the opportunity to consider that. Again, I like to say this is not financial advice. These are ideas that I come up with myself, but I'm sharing them with everybody else. So these are not financial advice. But you add at your own, your own trade plan. But this is the way I view it. And for the bears, if SPY tests that upper range and then it stalls out, we're gonna look for that rejection around 687.50, 688. Put our stop at 688.20, and targets gonna be 686.50, 685.80, and 685. And that's if it failed to break and hold, and you get some strong resistance like some weak candles, some good rejection, then you can expect that's probably going to be some pullback. Remember, you're dealing with all-time highs. FOMC was yesterday, caused a lot of volatility and a lot of up and down. And so that's where we are with this. Now, my open range watch zone is going to be 685 up to about 688. And that's where the market going to kind of show us what it's going to do. And then if I get the confirmation, some strong candle closes, maybe a pullback, after a break, then that's the direction I'll go in based on the chart and what we're looking at with these different levels. And then I'll try to scale out at 20% at each level until we have all the runners covered. And so that's our SPY trade plan for Thursday, October the 30th. Anything we looking at above 687.68, we truly believe that means the bulls are still in control. We're going to target up towards 691. And anything below, especially off resistance, 687.50, 686, then let's say 685.20, based on the levels we got set on the chart. Then we can probably see it dip back towards that 682 range from yesterday. Yesterday's low. And be careful with it. Trade with your discipline and be, try to make you some money. Now, if this video helped you, gave you an idea, sparks your interest, share, like, subscribe. And if you want to, come and join us at Power Plays Palace, man. But that's our trading plan for today. This is not financial advice. This is just my ideas from me over here at Power Plays. But if it helps you, it helps you. Good luck today and have a great day. And see you tomorrow for another Power Play.